Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video we will learn how to find intersection of sets. So here we have two sets P and Q. The elements of P are as you are seeing 0, 1, 2, 3, and the elements of Q is -3, -2, -1 and 0. These are the elements of Q set, and now we will learn how to find intersection. Intersection means that this is opposite of union. In intersection, we just add the numbers in the intersection set. Which numbers we add? Those numbers which are present in both the sets. So we write here the symbol of union P. The symbol of union is like this: P union Q. So P union Q, the intersection set will be 0. 0 is present in set P and also in set Q, so we will write here 0. 1 is present in set P, but here is -1, as like 2 is positive and here is 2 negative, and this is positive 3 and this is negative 3. So the only 0 number is present in both the numbers, so that P intersection Q set will be 0. So this is our final answer. Such like videos, kindly visit my channel YouTube MALogics. Till then, Allah Hafiz.